Hello, my name is Jackson. This is my final project video demonstration. This product is a sound sensor that displays X amount of LEDs depending on how loud the volume is picked up by the sound sensor. First, I use the LCD library that allows me to use functions written by somebody else. I can use functions like the LCD print, LCD begin, set cursor, etc. So I can display whatever I want on the liquid crystal display. First, I have a hardware interrupt, which is my button in the middle here that turns everything on off. So by default, it's off, and then when pressed, everything turns on, and then it displays the volume picked up. So normally it says system off, and then when pressed on, it says volume, and then it displays whatever number it is. So currently it's sitting at about roughly 350, 348. Due to this white noise, I have the map function. So the sound sensor picks up a volume of a value between 0 and 1023. So due to the constant volume being picked up at about 300, I have a map function that uses this value to light up these LEDs from 1 LED to 5. So because it's always a value of 300, 1 LED is always lit up. So this is supposed to be used in like a venue, party, wedding, etc. kind of setting. So there'll always be a light active, and then depending on the volume picked up by this, it'll light up more LEDs. So I can demonstrate that really quick. And then it also displays on the screen there, depending on how loud it is. So I'm kind of hitting it against the table, and depending on how loud it picks up, it lights up, and then also displays on the LCD there. And then I'll also show how it displays on the serial monitor. So normally it won't display anything, because system's off. Once the button's pushed, light on, LCD on, and then it always displays a value every, I think I have it set to, every 200 milliseconds. Every 1/5 of a second, and I'll have it do that. And then I think it's everything. I have, once the button is not pushed, when the volume is set to, or not when the volume, when the level is set to high, all the LEDs are set to be digitally written as low, so they're all off, and then the serial monitor is set to just say system off.